6 surprising ways the sound of falling water can benefit your well-being. 1. Anxiety and stress relief. 2. Increase concentration. 3. Improve your sleep quality. 4. Natural meditation assistance. 5. Creates negative ions. 6. Add moisture and humidity to room naturally. If you live in a dry area or an area that experiences dry winters, then you probably know all about the benefits of having a humidifier in your home. The extra moisture is good for your skin, helps with sinus, colds, and can help keep you from feeling parched and dry in your home.